I've spent a bit of time decluttering and taking some pictures for the website, which I occasionally work on weeknights. Swap out pictures, add pages, etc., etc. Cleaning up the shop. We are still on basic prep. Made the decision, we just pulled out any and every shell we had and started to make it into a drum. Every shell. So last weekend we slapped all the re-rings in, prep sanded, got everything in spray. Today, well, I'm starting with sanding back all of these shells. Those are both 16-inch. We got the 12, the 210s, the 2.8s, 2 piccolos, 2 14s. These 2 16s are for Steve Weiss. These were gonna be more basic prep, but there's a customer order. Shells haven't arrived for it. We thought we'd be able to push it till post basic. Customer would like the drums for a performance, and Bill's a humanitarian, so we're doing it. Those get blue dye and red hoops. Speaking of hoops, any ounce of hoop stock we had has been prepped, so we need to lay out, drill, veneer a few, sand, get those rolling. Bill is making sure he has all the parts for the Turkish crescent and ordering what we need. We actually have a customer order for one, so
believe it or not,
we're making 2. I should have called out sick. These 8-inch drums are too small to fit around the roller jig. That's why I'm holding it like a lap cat. This is one of the 2 piccolos which didn't get brocade wrap, because the veneer was like a bird's eye. It's pretty cool. Bill wanted to dye one and leave one natural. This, of course, is the dyed one. And Bill loves purple and pink. This is the natural. Oh, man. That only took 7 years.
what, for me to deal with all that shit?
No, for me to sand all that shit.
No. Man, speaking of things that we need to clean up and cull, there's a lot of stuff in here that is just not going to be big enough to use for anything. So I've got 3 options for these 14s. So I got this olive ash. It's pretty cool. I got this Carillion birch, which is kind of my go-to for like light colored wood veneer, but it's also like a pretty busy pattern. And then I got this stuff that the veneer supplier referred to as freak maple burl. I don't know what that means.
This is the downside of having so many drums on deck at the same time as you end up doing each operation 7,000 times.
Yeah.
At the same time burning yourself out.
Yep.
Come on now.
Yeah, that thing is getting pretty bad. I've taken it apart a few times, and I'm trying to figure out what part is worn that's causing it to miss so frequently. And like I can see how the mechanism works, but I don't I can't tell where the wear is that's causing it to not catch. So like there's got to be some surface in there that's rounded over, and I can probably just machine it flat and then it will work again. But I haven't been able to figure it out yet. Like what is the surface in there that's causing the problem? It doesn't seem like it'd be that hard to fix, but I just don't quite understand the problem. because I've never placed those things before, but it seems dumb to buy a new one when I'm pretty sure that there's a part in there that I could just cut the end off of it and work again, you know?
Maybe if we throw it in the scrap bin for a couple hours, it would change the ways.
Yeah. Three-time Piston Cup champion.
We told the factory in New Hampshire that we need many years.
Probably not. I don't have a cutting die for those, but usually they're thin enough leather that I can just laser them. So we'll have to see what we have for leather. If we have anything that's thin enough that I'll be able to just do it that way.
6, 6, 6, 6.
8 on the 12-inch.
So 34.
Yeah, that's a lot.
32. 32. I'm good at math.
I'm in the middle of this nice coloration, but the yield veneer slitter.
Eucalyptus. That was the winner.
This stuff is so cool, but it is miserable to work with.
Got lost in the world of layout and punching, so kind of boring to film anyway. Veneers are on these hoops, padding out the inside of those hoops, taping up these drums because they're going to get blue dye and red hoops. Doing some layout work for one of our themed drums. Maybe another one, maybe.
Hopefully.
And filling the hot dog rollers with sprayed drums. Ooh.
It's a little thick. It might work.
I don't see how that could possibly go wrong. If the drum making don't work out, I think you got a promising career.
Yeah. What exactly?
Some kind of a janitor? That's a wrap. Not the most exciting day. And just think, we have all these to wet sand and polish and buff at some point. Dyeing these might be somewhat entertaining. At least it'd be different.
Yeah.
Assembly would be fun, and we still got the brocade snare assembly to look forward to.
That's right.
And 2 Turkish crescents.
Yeah, it would be nice to film some of the Turkish crescent making.
Yeah, give all our secrets away.
Yeah. That secret being that I'm not a very good machinist.
Yeah, that's one of them.
That might not be a secret though.
All right, well, till next time.